Huma ħafna l-Maltin li qegħdin isibu metodi alternattivi biex jevitaw il-ġenn u traffiku li nsibu fit-toroq. Fost dawn insibu komunità kbira ta' nies li saru qed jużaw ir-roti sabiex imorru minn post tal-ieħor. Però x-xemx li qed taħkem lil pajjiżna b'temperaturi li jlaħqu l-40 grad toffri sfidi mhux żgħar. Għaldaqstant il-Bicycling Advocacy Group ħarġu rapport b'numru ta' suġġerimenti sabiex jitnaqsu l-effetti li dan it-temp kapaċi jġib miegħu. Jim Whiteman minn din l-għaqda tenna li huwa essenzjali li kull min irid isuq rota f'dan it-temp irid iżomm ruħu idratat u kemm jista' jkun jevitaw l-eqqel ħin tax-xemx. Ma dawn żied l-importanza tal-ippjanar tal-vjaġġ u li jintlibsu ħwejjeġ adattati.
Some of the things that we can do is when we dress lightly we can use technical clothing. There's some really good clothing out there that wicks away sweat, so you arrive fresh and clean. Pick flat routes, and if you pick back road routes you'll find that there's more shade and shadow, so you should try and aim for those routes, so a flatter, more shady route will help out.
Ma' suġġerimenti li ta' Whiteman saħaq fuq l-importanza li kulħadd iżomm kalma fit-triq sabiex jiġu evitati inċidenti u ġenn fit-toroq.
Okay, I think the heat's going to get to everybody, so for heaven's sake, calm down. It's going to cause a lot of people to be angry, frustrated. Be aware that there are other people around you, not just cyclists but pedestrians as well, who aren't protected. We need to think about them as well, and the other people who are driving around you. You know, nobody wants to have an accident, whether it's hot or cold. You know, let's keep our cool out there. It's really important at this time. Let's try and be a little bit more calm and collected.